Hi, I just want to say that I thank the whole crew, the team, for taking care of me from the airport to the appointments. I had a wonderful experience being a woman, traveling alone. I like to travel alone anyways, but this was a wonderful experience. Everyone and their hospitality has been great. Dr. Caymaz, I don't know how to say it right, but he took good care of me and I'm very happy with the procedure. I really expected more pain, but it was not as painful as I thought, just the injections. But after it was in, all and done, everything turned out very good. I'm very happy with my procedure and I look forward to coming back to visit Turkey and to visit his team. Thank you.